Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this particular exercise is how to create a funnel chart in QlikView. So this is basically the window of QlikView. As you can see over here, I have entered a data which will be consisting of this particular list boxes. So I'll just right click over here, go to this new sheets object, then click on the charts, select the chart name as funnel chart, click on next. Then we have to select the dimension over here. For example, I'll select the dimension as city, add, I'll remove this first. Okay, I'll keep it as it is. I'll click on city, add, click on next. So it will ask us first to add the expression. Expression window will open. Now select over here as sum. Then keep the all tables as it is. Then select the field name as profit. Click on paste, because this is very essential whenever you are going to click on paste. So the expression is appearing over here. Then click on OK. Then click on next. Please click this as question. Click on next. And click on finish. So this is basically a funnel chart. So if I click on this particular, so accordingly it is going to change. It will going to show the profit. If I click on OK, so this is going to show the different cities, because in the dimension we have selected the city and expression as profit. So accordingly, the size of the funnel you can see over here, it is going to change. So if I click on this particular, so accordingly this is going to show me the value of Anderson. So the profit is 61. So I hope you have understood how to create a funnel chart. Thanks for watching.